If you're replacing your air conditioner in Barrie this year, here's what you can realistically expect to pay. In 2026, most homeowners in Barrie spend between $4,500 and $9,500 or more for a new central air conditioning system. The final cost depends on a few key factors. First is system size. Larger homes need larger units. Proper sizing is critical for comfort and efficiency. Second is efficiency rating. All new systems now use SEER 2 standards. Higher efficiency systems cost more upfront, but can reduce long-term energy costs. Third is installation complexity. Older homes often require electrical upgrades, refrigerant line changes, or airflow adjustments. And finally, refrigerant changes are impacting pricing. New systems now use refrigerants like R32 or R454B instead of older R410A. The biggest mistake homeowners make is choosing based on price alone. Proper sizing and installation matter more than brand. If you're in Barrie and want accurate pricing for your home, the best step is a professional assessment, because every home is different. Call Affordable Comfort today. Home comfort made easy.